In this video, I will show you how to download any YouTube video. So whether you want to save a video for offline viewing or use YouTube's available download options where supported, I'll walk you through the process in a simple and easy to follow way. Before we get started, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tutorials, tech tips, and simple how-to guides. Now, as you can see, we're currently on youtube.com. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. So first, I'm going to show you how to download your own videos, and then I'm going to show you how to download other people's videos. If you want to download your own videos, what you want to do is first of all, come up to the top right-hand corner of YouTube, click onto your profile icon, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your studio, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto content. And then what you want to do is find the video that you want to download. I'm going to use this one as an example, and when you hover over this, you're going to see underneath the title, we've got some icons that appear. What you want to do is click onto the three dots where it says options, and from here, you're going to see an option to download the video. Give that a click, that's going to download that onto your computer or laptop. You can then use your computer's file explorer, go into your downloads folder, and you're going to find the downloaded video in there. Now, coming back to YouTube, if you want to do this for someone else's video, if you actually search for the video that you want to download, so what I'm going to do is search for my other channel here, and then I'm just going to click to go onto my channel page, and we're just going to locate a video that we want to download. So what I'm going to do is take this one as an example, and I'm just going to click to go onto the video page. What you need to do if there is an ad playing is wait for the ad to finish and get into the actual video itself. So here we are, as you can see, the video is now playing. Now to download this, if you come down underneath the video, again, what you want to do is click onto the three dots over here, and you're going to see an options download. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is ask you if you want to sign up for YouTube Premium, which is a monthly based subscription service, and you do need this to download other people's videos on YouTube. So what you can do, generally there's going to be a free trial offered, so you can click try it for free, and then follow the process to sign up for Premium, and once you've done that, you will then be able to download the video. Now to find your downloaded videos, if you come up to the top left hand corner of YouTube, click onto the three lines next to the YouTube logo, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come down to the Use section, and you're going to see the downloads option here. Give that a click, that's going to take you to your downloads page, and any videos you've downloaded through YouTube Premium, you're going to find in this section here. So that is how to download any YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.